Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a morning practice that's going to help us rise and shine with the sun. Grab a chair. That's all you need, a nice sturdy chair, and we're going to get started back here. So thank you for hitting play. Thank you for taking time in your busy life, your busy morning to focus on you. And let's begin. Get right into it. Press the feet into the earth. Maybe roll shoulders back and away from the ears. Palms can face forward. If it feels comfortable, maybe start with the hands at heart center, thumbs pressed into the sternum. Be here in our Mother Mountain, a standing foundational pose, pressing the feet evenly into the earth. Softening through the skin of the face, releasing the shoulders away from the ears. Maybe you shut the eyes down for now. A couple deep inhales and deep exhales, just to tune in, to ground yourself. When you're ready, open the eyes and let that go. Maybe shake out your mudra a little bit. Let's start with some angel breath. So inhale, sweep the arms high to the sky. Gather your energy. Exhale, soften and lower down. A couple more times. Here we go. Nice and easy. In breath and out breath to release. This last time, inhale, float the arms high to the sky. Take the hands and just clasp the hands at the top and then just fold to one side. Either side is fine. Side body stretch. Coming back through center, a big full inhale, a big full exhale to fold opposite way. So good. Come back through center, shake those hands down, let that go. Take some arm swings here. Call them Hagasana. So an arm over top every once in a while, so the awkward way. For 3, 2, and last one. Nice job. Let it go. Feet are going to be hips width apart, or a little bit wider than hips width apart. Take one arm to the sky. A full breath in here. Full breath out. Start to slide that opposite hand down the leg and find that side body stretch again. So just a little variation. Option to look up, down, or somewhere in the middle. And release that arm, come back up. We'll take it to the other side. Big full breath in as you stretch that arm high. Exhale, soften and fold over opposite leg. Really stretch through that arm. Maybe you look under the armpit. Maybe you look at the ground. Release that, let it go. Interlace the fingers behind you. So you're going to find a little clasp here. And then when you're ready, we're going to pull the elbows down as you lift the gaze up for a heart opener. We're going to move into a forward fold. Press evenly into the feet. A big breath in, a big breath out. Sink those hips back as you come forward, just halfway here. Find that length through the spine. Hands can come, maybe, if you have the range of motion, maybe bring the hands up over the shoulders. For 3, 2, and 1, roll on out of there, taking your time. Let that go. Give it a shake. Little wiggle here. Go ahead and step to the front of your chair. Make any adjustments as you need. Maybe if you have a nice little puppy, you give him a little pet. That's Charlie, my dog. He comes to all my workouts. Go ahead and find that mountain pose again. Press evenly into the earth, fingertips to the back of the chair. Start to walk the feet back. Make your way into downward facing dog. Feel extension through the spine. The tailbone reaches back. See if you can find length through the whole body. So crown of the head to the tip of the tail all the way to the heels. Maybe shake the head. Could feel nice to kind of bend one knee as you straighten the other. Then try it to the other side. Nice little stretch for you. Take a look forward. Press into the left foot. We'll step the right foot forward for a crescent lunge. So bend through right knee. Back heel is lifted. You could work with that knee bent as well. So the back knee could be bent, or you could maybe straighten here. So see what feels okay for your body. Working on balance here. Keep a finger on the chair. Maybe extend one or both arms to the sky, if that feels okay. And then find something out in front of you that's not moving and find your breath. Take an inhale, grow tall in the fingertips. Exhale, cactus the arms to open the chest. Maybe look up here. Nice job. Inhale, sweep those arms high to the sky. Exhale, release hands to the chair. Step it back, dog pose, downward facing dog. Shake the head. Maybe pedal the feet. Second side, press into the right foot. We'll step the left foot forward this time. If I go one way and you go the other, it's cool because we always balance things out. So left knee is bent, right knee could be bent too. Up right through the spine. So I see a lot of people want to hunch over their chair, but don't let that happen. Think head over heart, heart over pelvis. And when you're ready, maybe extend one or both hands to the sky. Playing with that balance, inviting a little quake here in the ankles. You might hear a little sound off screen. That's Charlie playing in his toy box here. Inhale, grow tall. Exhale, cactus the arms to open the chest. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, send it down, let it go. Step it back, dog pose. Nice. And then take a look forward. Nice tiptoe to the top of your mat, top of your chair. In breath, sweep the arms high. Out breath, let that go. So good. Give it a shake, turn to the front, make sure you have that chair, maybe a wall close by. Press into the foot closest to your prop, so the chair or the wall, and then the other knee is going to lift up. So I'm going to show you this to the side. So that knee is at like a 90 degree. Nice. Really root down on the standing foot, maybe have a micro bend in that knee. You got the chair if you need that support, and then extend the arm to the sky. Great balancing pose. See if it feels okay to start to reach the other hand to the sky. Nice job. Extend that leg. See if it feels okay to straighten through that leg a little bit. Nice. Let that go. So good. March it out a little bit. Little shake. Let's evolve this into a tree pose. Press into the standing foot. Bring that opposite knee up. So stork pose here. Got that chair if you need it. Spin that knee open. Plant the foot. So you could kickstand it right here. Wonderful. Maybe you start to slide that foot up into the inner shin. Maybe you bring it to the inner thigh. No right or wrong, just what's best for you, as always. And see what your hands want to do. Maybe draw some energy to heart center. Maybe extend one or both arms to the sky. Working on balance is playtime for us on and off our mat. So just think of this. If you fall out, come back in. It's just like riding that horse. We always get back on, right? Ooh, and then let that go. Shake it out. Maybe march it out. Nice. I'm going to move my chair to the other side so you can see what this looks like over here. You can do the same or make any adjustments just so that you can see the screen. All right, press into the leg closest to your chair, into the foot closest to your chair. Bring that knee up. Nice. Stork pose. 90 degree in that bent knee. And then here we go. Maybe extend an arm or two. Nice little wiggles. We love this. Little quake in the ankle. See if it feels okay to extend that leg. Long leg. Lots of muscle, bone, tissue activated, strong and powerful here. Nice job. Bring it back, stork pose, and then let it all go. Maybe shake it out. And then here we go. Let's work on our tree pose. Press into the standing foot. Bring that opposite knee up for stork pose. Find that balance. And just that right press into the foot here. And then when you're ready, spin that knee open. Plant the foot on the ankle. Maybe slide it up. And see, just play here. Nice. And breathe. See where you're holding, right? Gripping. Let it go. See where you can start to soften. Nice job. And play. Maybe reach in the hands, one or both hands to the sky. When you're ready to come out, just let it go. And then we're going to fold again one more time into our downward facing dog. So fingers to the back of the chair. Go ahead and make your way back into dog pose. Extension through the spine. Breathing here. And step forward. Revisit mountain pose with the feet together or apart. It's up to you. Place hands at heart center, sternum. Maybe drop chin to chest. Find a couple mindful breaths here. Sometimes just a little bit of yoga goes so far in our day. And I know you're busy, but you take out this time for you, carve this time out for your yoga practice, and you'll see such good things come into your life. Right? When we nourish our body, our mind, our soul, we thrive. I truly believe that yoga has changed my life. I know many people who feel the same way. So stick with it. You got this. The world's got this, right? The universe takes care of us in so many ways. And I got you too. We're all in this together, right? We take care of our family, our friends, and our environment, our community, those beyond our yoga space, our yoga practice. When we tend to our own personal garden, I call it our garden of our heart, we plant these beautiful little seeds so that flowers bloom, right? Take good care. Thank you as always for allowing me to be your guide in this practice. And I'll send you off with the sunshine prayer. Maybe you draw the thumbs towards the third eye, space between the eyebrows, the home of our intuition. May the long-time sun shine upon you, all love surround you, and the pure light within you guide your way on. You might choose to bow the head forward with me and whisper the word Namaste. Namaste. Great job today. Thank you so much for taking care of yourself today in this mindful movement practice. If we've not met yet, I'm Emily. I'm a yoga instructor, a registered nurse, a wellness professional. I'm here for you. I've created this channel to connect you and help nourish your mind, your body, your soul. And that's what we do on and off the mat. If you would like to connect with me further, you can visit my website. It's emilydaugherty.com. There will be links in the show notes below. And then if you would like to, please head on over to my website and grab your beginner's yoga handbook. It's a little ebook I wrote for you. You can print it out. It's a workbook, so you can work with mindfulness, breathing, asana, or what we call physical postures. There's a lot of stuff in here. I know you're going to enjoy it. All right. Again, I thank you for pressing play. Thank you for staying here till the end, and I will see you again soon. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.